Text, the best nachos recipe. Text. Alright, let's kick things off by getting our ground beef nice and flavorful. I'm adding a tablespoon of olive oil to the air fryer basket, along with our pound of beef and that packet of taco seasoning. We'll cook this for about 8,009 minutes, breaking it up occasionally with a spatula until it's perfectly browned and seasoned through. By the way, since many of you ask about this air fryer that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description, in case you're interested. Time for a quick cleanup. We want to start fresh with our nacho assembly, so let's wipe out that air fryer basket and line it with parchment paper. This will make cleanup so much easier later, and trust me, you'll thank me for this little trick. Now comes the fun part. Let's start building these nachos. Spread out half of your tortilla chips in the basket, then sprinkle on a generous layer of that Mexican cheese blend. Add some of those fresh diced tomatoes, spicy jalapeños if you're feeling brave, and half of our perfectly seasoned beef we just cooked. Let's keep this nacho party going with our next layer. Add those black beans. They add such a nice texture and make these nachos more filling. Then we'll repeat everything just like before. More chips, cheese, tomatoes, jalapeños, and the rest of that amazing taco-seasoned beef. Time to transform these layers into melty, cheesy perfection. Set your air fryer to 350°F and let these beauties cook for about 3,005 minutes. You'll know they're ready when that cheese is all melted and bubbly, and the chips have just started to get a little extra crispy around the edges. The finishing touches really make these nachos pop. Sprinkle on those fresh green onions and black olives, add dollops of cool sour cream, and don't forget to serve with plenty of salsa on the side. If you're a cilantro fan like me, scatter some of that on top too. It adds such a fresh kick to every bite. Time to enjoy. Subscribe to catch more delicious recipes.